Hello, I'm Miss Kelly. What's your name? What's your name? My name is... How are you today? How old are you? I'm... Are you a boy or a girl? Where are you from? Where do you study? Okay, very good. Who's this? She's a... She's a... What's this? What's this? What's this? Swing. What's this? Very good. Okay. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? I'm scared. Are you hot? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you hot? Are you cold? Are you hot? Again, are you hot? Very good. Okay, let's count how many fish are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 14, 15, Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.